just real quick.
Ja, det är något.
Lucia. Ja.
Nej, alltså hon brukar vara 12.
I just came home in the morning. I had a patient that had to come in because I could have sent him to the ER. However, he was like, I would rather you do it. And I can't say no. So after that, I went to the lab and then took out my model. And then I have a therapy plan that I have to write up. So I took information that I needed from the journal. And that's it. Alhamdulillah, it went well. Temporary crown. I think that's the fastest I made a temporary crown ever. Because it usually takes me, I don't know, an hour to make one, and I made 2 in 1 hour without an assistant. That's a success in my books. I need to work on that presentation and on the when our course examiner was going through the rules and yada yada yada, he was like, well dressed, stand confidently. Don't be insecure. Does he know me? But hey, it will go however it goes. So today I have a big presentation coming up, and we will be presenting our project plan for our thesis. That's literally it. And I'm saying it's a big presentation because it feels kind of big. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. What I have realized about myself is that when it comes to like answering questions, I'm so much better in Swedish. Not in the way that, oh, like I can't speak English, and more in the way of like, okay, I can bullshit my way through a question so much easier in Swedish. Because I'm realizing, like last night I was like fake presenting to myself in my room, and I asked the audience, myself asked the question, and in my head I'm like, in Swedish I can give a very good answer, and I think my problem is that I'm trying to translate these words in Swedish, but no. And it's also dental phrases, so like I mostly hear them in the clinic, so my brain is like accustomed to that. I don't know, but inshallah it will go well. I'm not that nervous. It's just that I am nervous, but not that nervous. But I'm nervous. Whatever.